Assalamu alaikum learners, welcome to a brand new week. Today is Sunday 15th of November and our today's topic in science is suitable materials. You can refer to your book page 6 topic book science on your PSN Active Learn. The value of the month is respect, the way of treating or thinking about something or someone. In this lesson, learners, you will identify and compare the suitability of everyday materials. Have a look at the words. On number 1, we have suitable. Number 2, charcoal. Number 3, writing. And number 4, marks. Let's review what we have done earlier in previous lesson. Here is a task for you. Have your copybooks ready? Recall and list as many natural materials as you can in your science copybook. So recall, you have a minute, pause the video, take your copybooks and jot down, list for me natural materials that you have studied. Let's have a look. What do you use for writing and drawing? What are the suitable materials for writing and drawing? We can use pencils, chalks, crayons, pen, don't we? We all use them. But long time back, when there were no pencils, crayons, or pens, what do people do? They still draw. Do you know what they used to do? In old times, people used to write and draw using charcoal or feather by dipping it in the ink. One thing they used to make marks was charcoal. Can you guess if charcoal is natural or man-made material? You're right. Charcoal is a natural material which is dug from the ground. These are remains of plant materials, animals, or dead. Charcoals are usually made from fossils. They are left under the ground is dug, and the remains of some living things, when they are turned up, when they are heated by the nature from the sun and from the earth, they turn into coal. That's how charcoal is made. Cave painting of animal drawings in charcoal. This picture shows you. It tells us that back in time, people used to draw and write using charcoal on the walls of cave. Let's have a look. Some suitable materials that we use nowadays. Now, we use a lot of different things to make marks. They all are suitable, but slightly different for different things. We can use a board marker to draw on the whiteboard. We cannot use a pencil to draw on a whiteboard, can we? No, because it won't be suitable material to be used on whiteboard. Then we have paints. To paint, of course, you need a paper or a canvas. You cannot use oil paints or watercolors to paint on a whiteboard, can you? No, because it won't be a suitable material for the whiteboard. So in the same way, we use different things to make marks. In old times, people used to have charcoals, but now we have so many modern materials that we can use. Discuss these two pictures. Here is a challenge for you. You can pick any of these cards and answer. What material is suitable to make marks on paper? What material is suitable to write and draw on a chalkboard? And what materials are suitable for painting? So you have a lot of challenge, and it will help you exploring and getting to know more about suitable materials. Have a look at these pictures. Now it's time for activity. Let's have a paper and draw something with pencils in your science copybook. You can also use then a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker and see, compare the difference between two materials. What suitable material did you use to make these marks? Talk about this. Have fun making marks, and I will see you with something interesting in the next lesson. Take care, have fun. Assalamu alaikum.